What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a good day. I'm heading down to JDM HQ. I am so keen. So they're like an hour and a half away from me. It's ages. It's gonna be traffic and I don't even care. I've got my monster with me. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm up the road a little bit from JDM HQ. I've taken this car just around the corner because I need to show you guys something a little bit special at the end when I do some cinematics. This thing, I'm excited. Here you go. It's a 2004 Crown Majesta. Sorry about the wind, it's a little bit. How you going today? This thing, oh, this thing's nice. Hasn't even done 100,000 Ks yet. 2004, sitting on work, I think they're Schwartz SC6. Schwartz, something like that. It's like a separate work series that they've done. This thing's so tidy. It's got a full body kit. I don't know the model of it, but I will find out for you guys. It's got, yeah, 20s, full body kit, upgraded fog lights. It's got upgraded headlights. It has full airbag suspension, but that's factory. LED lights just everywhere. It's LED out the wazoo. Check this thing out. Look at this back end. Ooh, baby, that's sick. That is sick. It's got a custom exhaust from about how you going back. It's delicious. It is delicious. Have a look at this. Look how tidy this thing is. No rips, no tears, perfect condition. Now, it does have a VIP table, but it's not in at the moment. This section here is removed because it cracked, so they had it fixed in Japan. Pretty good job actually, I will say so. It's pretty nice. Not a lot of people like to touch those because they're worried about airbags and so on. It could do with a polish, but that's pretty much it. Look, everything works. I actually have gone over this car today previously. See, there's your VIP table, it's just waiting to get installed. I've gone through this with a fine-tooth comb and it's incredible. Now, the engine isn't super exciting, but I will take you there. It's not the most exciting part. So I'll take you there now. It's a 3UZ, so 4.3 litre V8. It's got a nice little hum because of that back end of the exhaust. I would say muffler delete, but it's kind of also not, because it's got little mufflers there. It's a weird setup. It kind of comes back, does a loop into a muffler, and then comes out to the tips. It's weird. But look how tight this is. I know it's just the plastics, but you would be able to tell. And then you can have a look down here. This thing, I don't know what he's asking, 16.5 plus rego, something like that. Oh, this thing's sick. But wait for the cinematics, guys. Wait for the cinematics. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That thing looks sick, slammed on airbags. So they're the factory airbags with an aftermarket controller, and it gets that low. Oh man, this thing is dope. I really want airbags in my next car because like you can look that slammed when you're parked, and then when you want to drive, you can be all the way up in the air and it's perfect. Oh man, this thing is dope. Nice hum with the exhaust. Like, oh, it's just tidy. It gets me going, this thing. Woo. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it half as much as I did, clearly, as I sound so keen. So please like, please subscribe, check out the next cars to come, check out the builds, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.